stars shine at bright daylight. I consider it a great honor to welcome one such star, Dr. Nalini, Chief Laboratory Services, CG Lab, and Director Operations, CG Kidney Care, the Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, on behalf of Podar Group of Education Network and Podar International School, Tumakuru. We welcome you, ma'am.
National salute! Salute! Bolo Bharat Mata ki! Bolo Bharat Mata ki!
Dignitaries on the dais, faculty staff, and my dear students, I wish you a very happy Republic Day. I am Sridhar, event coordinator, Podar International School, Tumakuru. It gives me great pleasure to introduce the chief guest of this Republic Day celebration. We are honored this morning by the presence of Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Nalini Ma'am, Chief Laboratory Services CG Lab and Director of Operations Theatre, CG Kidney Care. Dr. Nalini AR graduated in Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery with honors from the Deemed University of Sri Devraj Aras Academy of Higher Education and Research in 2004.
ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಾಗಿರುವ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರೇ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಭಾರತದ ಸಂವಿಧಾನವು ರಚನೆಯಾದ ದಿನವಾದ ಜನವರಿ 26ರಂದು ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಇದು
ago, on 26 January, our constitution came into effect. Even before that, this date acquired a special significance. Having resolved to attain Purna Swaraj, our people were celebrating Purna Swaraj Day on 26 January from 1930 to 1947.
Flag. I really thank you, sir. I'm actually very thrilled and excited to be over here. You know, especially after this extensive lockdown for a period of 9 months, which we have never seen in our country's history, isn't it? So we are actually very happy that the schools have started. All of you are happy, isn't it? Schools have started, teachers are coming, buses are running. We were so unsure of this moment, whether this would happen or not. So I'm actually very excited. Probably this is the first function in the school after the lockdown, isn't it? First function, right? And today is also a very special day. It is called Republic Day. What exactly does that mean? This is the day our constitution came into force. We got independence in 1947, but our political leaders took about 3 years to draft our constitution. The constitution was drafted for a year, and later this is the day it was implemented and brought into action. It was adopted into the system. That is why today is called as Republic Day. And Indian National Congress also calls this Purna Swaraj. It claimed it as Purna Swaraj, meaning this is the day completely India is independent. It has its own government, it has its own formation, and no other interference from any other foreign national country. Courage, bravery, to be bold, to what you believe in, to stand up for what you think is right. These are some very good qualities which you will develop in teamwork. And this sort of teamwork, these sort of things are something which you don't learn just like that. Of course, now the mode of teaching is different. It is now, because of the pandemic, everybody is shifted towards online classes. But free from the COVID-19, isn't it? So, I wish you all the best. You are the future India. You children are the future of our India. So, do your very best. Whatever you're doing, do your very best. Put in your best efforts and bring many laurels to this school, to this institution, and for our country. Jai Hind.
जान से प्यारा है सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती
Good planners. Suppose if I say prepare for board exam, today you will go home and you will prepare all 24 hours ka timetable. We are good in that. But as madam said, execution is not there. So you just remember, I add to ma'am's point, 3 P's. One is plan well. Second one is practice. You must practice. And then you have to perform in the exam. Whatever the work you do, whatever the plan you do, maybe business, maybe life or exams, whatever it may be, you have to perform in that particular task. Then result will be good. Okay? So that's why you must plan, you must perform, practice. All this gives you a fruit. Clear? So when we do all these things, we can achieve. Clear? So we are capable of doing the things. Clear? So still we have n number of incidents to say that the richness of our country, but time is not there. But you should study, you should read, you should learn. Okay, so that's why always you should watch good things, you should learn good things, you should speak good things. Clear? So I'll give one small exercise where you are there. Okay, once again I'll repeat. Okay? Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. What you did? What you did? You just followed me what I did. So that's why just don't blindly follow the whatever is happening in and around. Clear? Use your mind, act and perform. Sure, 100% you will reach your goal. Okay? With this, I wish you all the best. Okay? You just reach higher and higher and flourish and bring laurels to your country, nation, school. First and foremost thing is your family. Clear? I wish all the very best, and we hope all this pandemic and whatever sorts of this type of diseases may come, we may have that type of strength in us. We will eradicate.
Freedom is nothing but a chance to be better. A happy morning to one and all present here. This is Sara of Great in Chanakya. I feel happy that today I've got an opportunity to propose vote of thanks. First, I would like to thank our chief guest, Dr. Nalini, Chief Laboratory Services, CG Lab, and the Director of CG Kidney Care. Thank you, ma'am, for witnessing as chief guest of your school on this auspicious day. Now, to thank all the parents and my fellow friends for making this event possible. Thank you, everyone, and again, Happy Republic Day. Thank you.